Imagine yourself in a space free of distractions, focusing solely on protecting your energy and maintaining balance. This feeling of preserving your mental, emotional, and spiritual health is crucial for thriving in today's world. Today, we'll talk about how to safeguard your energy in negative environments, sharing practical and effective strategies for staying centered and resilient in challenging situations. If this topic resonates with you, like this video, subscribe to Motivation You Need, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Negative environments can be found anywhere, at work, in social settings, or even at home. These spaces often carry an emotional weight that can drain your energy, especially if you're highly sensitive. This energy drain occurs when you unconsciously absorb the vibrations around you. The good news is, there are simple yet powerful practices to protect your energy and maintain inner peace, even in the most challenging environments. The first tip is grounding, a technique that helps you connect with the Earth's energy and create a strong foundation for dealing with external influences. To practice grounding, stand barefoot on grass, sand, or soil. Close your eyes, take deep breaths, and visualize roots growing from your feet, reaching deep into the Earth's center. Imagine releasing negative energy and replacing it with a renewed, balanced energy. This practice takes only a few minutes, but is incredibly effective in restoring equilibrium. Give it a try and share your experience in the comments. Another essential technique is creating an energetic shield. Before entering a potentially negative environment, close your eyes for a moment and visualize a protective bubble of light surrounding you. This light can be any color you choose, but many prefer white or gold for their associations with protection and positivity. See this bubble as a shield, blocking any negative energy from reaching you. Whenever you feel your energy being drained, mentally reinforce this bubble to renew your protection. If this resonates with you, like this video and subscribe to Motivation You Need for more transformative practices. Mindful breathing is another simple yet effective tool for protecting your energy in negative spaces. If you sense your energy depleting, pause and focus on your breath. Inhale slowly through your nose. Hold your breath for a few seconds, then exhale through your mouth, imagining yourself releasing tension and accumulated negativity. This exercise centers your mind, calms your emotions, and creates a natural barrier against external influences. Hydration and nutrition are also critical components of energy balance. While it may seem basic, staying hydrated and eating well are fundamental to maintaining your energy levels. Start your day with a glass of water to rehydrate your body after sleep. Keep a bottle of water nearby throughout the day. Focus on natural, nourishing foods and minimize processed foods or excessive sugar, which can make you more emotionally vulnerable. A healthy body is naturally more resilient to negative external energies. You can also use protective crystals, such as black tourmaline, amethyst, or clear quartz. These stones are known for absorbing negative energy and forming a protective barrier. Keep a crystal in your pocket, wear it as jewelry, or place it nearby in challenging environments. Remember to cleanse your crystals regularly by rinsing them under running water or exposing them to sunlight or moonlight. Practicing daily gratitude is another powerful way to protect your energy. By focusing on the positive aspects of your life, you elevate your vibrational frequency, making it harder for negative energies to affect you. Every night before bed, write down 3 things you're grateful for. This simple habit strengthens your mental health and creates a positive energy field around you. Setting clear boundaries is another crucial tip. Often, our energy is drained because we can't say no or allow others to invade our emotional space. Learning to set boundaries is an act of self-care and self-respect. Use phrases like, "I can't right now, but we can talk later," or "I need some time for myself." Remember, protecting your energy is not selfish, it's necessary. Finally, never underestimate the power of silence and introspection. Taking time to be alone, reflect, and recharge is essential for maintaining balance. Create a space in your home where you can meditate, read, or simply relax without distractions. This habit reconnects you with your essence and strengthens your inner energy. Protecting your energy is an ongoing process. The more you practice these techniques, the more they'll naturally integrate into your daily life. If you found these tips helpful, share this video with someone who faces challenging environments, and subscribe to Motivation You Need for more content to strengthen your mental, spiritual, and physical health. See you in the next video.